Hello, my name is Emily. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. Everything feels magical, bright lights shine in the streets. Happy music plays everywhere, and the air smells like fresh cookies and pine trees. This year, I have an exciting Christmas plan to make my family's holiday unforgettable. I will decorate the house, bake delicious cookies, buy and wrap thoughtful gifts, plan a big family dinner, send holiday cards, and create fun surprises. Let me tell you all about it. The first thing I will do is decorate the house. My brother Alex and my sister Emma will help me. We will start by putting up our tall green Christmas tree in the living room, near the fireplace. The tree smells fresh, like a winter forest. We will cover it with twinkling fairy lights that glow softly in the dark. Emma will hang shiny ornaments, red balls, silver stars, and tiny snowflakes. Alex will carefully add candy canes to the branches, hoping he can sneak one later. I will place small bells that make a gentle ringing sound when the tree shakes. Finally, we will add a long, sparkling ribbon like a magical scarf, wrapping the tree. The most special moment will be placing the golden star on top of the tree. Our Grandma Maggie says, "This star brings good luck every Christmas." We will hold our breath as Alex climbs a small ladder to place it carefully. When the star shines, it will feel like Christmas has truly begun. We will also decorate the fireplace. We will hang red and white stockings with our names on them: Mom, Grandma Maggie, Emma, Alex, and me, Emily. We will also hang green garlands with red berries and glowing candles. When the fire burns, the room will feel warm and cozy, like a Christmas storybook. Outside, we will hang a big wreath with red ribbons on the front door. Alex and I will place light-up reindeer and a glowing snowman in the front yard. Emma will put sparkling lights around the windows, making our house shine like a winter wonderland. Every time I see it, I will feel excited for Christmas. The second part of my Christmas plan is baking cookies. My mom, Laura, is the best baker, so she will help me. We will mix flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and vanilla to make the dough. The kitchen will smell sweet and warm, like Christmas magic. We will roll out the dough on the kitchen table and use cookie cutters to make fun-shaped stars, snowmen, Christmas trees, and gingerbread men. Alex will make funny faces on the gingerbread men using chocolate chips, and Emma will sprinkle colorful sugar on the star-shaped cookies. After baking the cookies, we will decorate them with icing in red, green, and white. I will make some cookies look like tiny Christmas presents with bows. We will pack some cookies in pretty gift boxes to give to our neighbors. I love seeing their happy faces when we surprise them. Next, I will buy and wrap gifts. I don't have a lot of money, so I will make some special gifts with love. For Mom, I will make a coupon book with promises like one free hug, breakfast in bed, and I will wash the dishes. For Grandma Maggie, I will draw a picture of her favorite flowers: roses, tulips, and sunflowers. I know she will frame it and hang it on her wall. For Emma, I will make a friendship bracelet with blue beads because blue is her favorite color. I will also make a photo frame with a picture of us together at the park. For Alex, I will buy a small soccer keychain since he loves soccer, and make him a best brother card with funny drawings. I will wrap each gift carefully using bright wrapping paper shiny ribbons, and sparkling gift tags. Each present will have a special note, so my family knows how much I love them. On Christmas Eve, we will have a big, special dinner. Grandma Maggie will cook her famous roast chicken with mashed potatoes and gravy. Mom will make fresh salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. Emma will bake a chocolate cake with whipped cream and strawberries on top. I will make a sweet fruit punch with oranges, apples, and cinnamon sticks. The table will have a red and white tablecloth, matching napkins, and glowing candles. It will look like something from a Christmas movie. After dinner, we will sit by the Christmas tree, drink hot chocolate with marshmallows, and tell fun stories. Grandma Maggie will tell us stories from her childhood Christmases. Mom will share funny memories from when she was little. We will laugh, feel warm, and enjoy being together. Before bedtime, we will hear a knock on the door. When we open it, our neighbors will be outside singing Christmas carols. They will sing Jingle Bells, Silent Night, and We Wish You a Merry Christmas. We will sing with them, and the sound of music will fill the air like magic. Before going to bed, we will open one small gift each. Mom will smile when she sees her coupon book. Grandma Maggie will be touched by her flower picture and hug me tightly. Emma will put on her bracelet right away, and Alex will laugh when he sees his soccer keychain and best brother card. On Christmas morning, we will wake up early and run downstairs. Santa will have come. Our stockings will be full of treats, small toys, and chocolates. We will open more gifts, laugh, and take lots of pictures. After opening gifts, we will play games, eat cookies, and watch Christmas movies, like Home Alone, Elf, and The Grinch. We will play outside if it snows, and make a giant snowman wearing a scarf and a funny hat. I love Christmas because it brings my family together. We laugh, share gifts, and make wonderful memories. Christmas is not just about presents, it's about love and kindness. This year, my Christmas plan will make everyone happy. I can't wait for Christmas. Enjoying the story? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.